Oh, it's still recording.
Good one. This little guy. Perfect eater though.
Yeah, it looks like a keeper.
All right, on the board.
Yeah. It's coming up slow. I'm thinking this might be a decent fish here. Unless I just...
Sheephead.
Unless I don't remember the feeling, but that feels like a big fish. Its head shaking good. Dude, this thing's fighting pretty good. Oh, that's a tank.
Oh my
God. That's a tank. Oh my god. That's a PB. That's a PB.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Dude, right here.
Are you
Lift that thing
me?
up.
Are you kidding me right now? What a stud. Dude, I knew right when she hit it. I was like, that is
That's
heavy.
not no fucking 18-incher. Yeah, I think that beats your PB.
It's at least PB.
You'll have to get a length on that. That might be close to 30.
Dude, she's fucking locked down this thing. Go ahead. God, that more is soft. Sorry, dude.
You're good.
It's not a bad problem.
Oh, I got it.
Fuck.
I was worried I might lose him, but. I'll measure mine too. Yours is good. That one's good. Shit shift. Yep.
On the nose.
All right, they're both good then.
Oh, he's off. God damn it.
The good news is we moved and found fish pretty quick. Flip, you're supposed to catch the fish, not let them go.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Whoa. Yeah, I'm gonna point us downstream.
What?
I'm gonna point us downstream. I got the motor backtracking anyway.
How did you get off?
Stinger hook.
He's hooked up over there. There's something there.
Yep, I did a lot of prep for this trip. Should drive 3 hours from Manistee to make sure I got everything.
Right?
Charge the batteries twice just to make sure. Again.
It's a good fish.
You getting a little email on me?
Feels pretty decent. It doesn't feel as big as the last one, but snag.
Ah. Corner. Yep.
Or you snagged up one of the other.
Let's say that this feels a little better.
GoPro?
Yep. Oh, I snagged him. All right, I'll let this.
Oh, is he off?
No. I'll let this one go. Sorry, buddy. Didn't mean to snag you.
Doubleheader.
Doubleheader, baby. Let's go. I'm hooked up. Cliff's hooked up.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
Another one
I'll
might
let
go.
mine go.